We're going to be creating Chlöe Bailey viral Y2K makeup look that you guys made viral. So we're going to go ahead and start with Adinta paint. Is a face paint and it's non-toxic. So I'm using the light pink. It's like a bubble pink that I'm going to use on top of my brows. So that's how I recreated Miss Chlöe pink brows. So as you guys see, I am just following my brows. Now my brows are a little bit thicker than Chloe's, so I didn't want to arch no more, so I just painted on top, and I just wanted to show you guys, that you still can achieve this look. And I just went over it a couple of times, probably 2 times, and I think this side I made it a little too big, but I'm going to fix it. But I definitely covered this look with the face paint, and look what it's giving, you guys. So far so good. So now I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses gemstone eyeshadow palette that I absolutely love. Very affordable, $5.99, and I'm going to use like the dark brown, and I'm going to do a circular motion, and I'm going to blend it in towards the end. So as I'm blending, as you guys can see, and then I'm going to use a little bit of the nude and gold color a little bit, and I'm just going to apply just a little bit, and then I did use my finger to blend it in because I didn't want to be too harsh. It was kind of light on Chloe, so I said, it was a little bit of that color that was showing. So mostly it was basically pink that you guys see. So now I'm going to go in with my eyeliner by Absolute New York, and I'm just going to shade just a little bit. I don't believe she used eyeliner. She just had some lashes on, but it's okay. But I wanted to apply a little bit of liner, and it looked good. So now what I'm going to do, we're going to start applying these lashes. Now I didn't have no lash glue, but I did have some from I Envy. I kept in for a very long time. This is the mascara glue. So I'm just applying it on top of my lashes a little bit, and it is very sticky because these are for individual lashes, and I do love it. So I let it dry for a little bit, and it's clear. And I'm using some old lashes. I'm using Keepin. I think it was called Cat. It's in the green and black box, and I love it. It's not too long. It didn't feel uncomfortable. I've had these lashes. I know I don't wear lashes like that anymore because I am allergic to lash glue, but I did want to put it on for this video so you guys can see the transformation. And what I'm doing now, I'm going to get some white paint. And I'll say, now this is dangerous, Modest. It's not dangerous. It's non-toxic. I promise you, this paint is non-toxic. I just put a little bit under my waterline. I didn't have my white pencil. I don't know what happened to my white pencil. It just like it got up and walked out on its own. It disappeared. I don't know. So I have my little white paint, and I'm just applying it. I have a thin little paintbrush, so I'm just going around, and I'm doing it just like that. Okay, so I don't want y'all to have a fit. That was dangerous, Modest. Look, it's just for a couple minutes. It's not like I'm wearing it for a whole day. So then I'm going to go in with the black paint, and I'm just going to go in and fill it in just a little bit because I'm trying to shape my eye just like the beautiful Miss Chlöe Bailey. So far so good. I feel like I did my best, and I feel like I did a good job of recreating the eye look so far. So I believe I did. I know I'm gonna say think. I know I did. So I'm just going back in with the little white paint so you guys can see the white like in Chloe eyes, and I'm just making sure that the finished touch is good. Sorry. Now I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses, the skin filter. It's the 3-in-1 with the primer, and I am using number 7, and I'm going right underneath my eye, blending in, giving it a natural look. And then we're back, and we're gonna go ahead and blend that out. So I let it dry for a couple of minutes, and I just let it dry. So I'm blending it in, so you guys can see the results so far. And we're going to use my Absolute New York. This is my favorite blush. It's the circular motion. It's not the powder. I love this one better because it actually shows than the powder, in my honest opinion. So if you want that heavy Chlöe Bailey blush look for this look, it's best to get the round blush stick. It's best. So I'm blending it out with the brush, going back and forth. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, and blend. So I'm making sure that it is blended, you guys, because you do not want to have blend. And I'm using a bit of my light green paint. So I see she had like a little light green like on the side. So I'm just trying to like match it a little bit with the lashes, I guess. So I'm just bringing it down. I don't know what shape it is. Like, I did my best to zoom and I really couldn't really see. So I said, you know what? I'm just going to just recreate it the best of my ability. So now I am blending the concealer and everything on my brows, because I made the pink a little bit too wide. So now I'm just fixing it up a little bit. So now I'm going back on the opposite side and I'm doing the same thing. I'm just using the skin filter. It is a primer and foundation and concealer all in one. And this only costs $10, you guys. Very affordable and you guys will love it. You don't even have to worry about going to go back in with the white paint. And I am just going to go back through the same process again. So I'm just going to let you guys watch. Now my favorite part is the lip combo guide. I'm using a dark brown pencil. I'm using Donna. You can find it at your local beauty supply store. This is just a big dark brown pencil, which I love. And I just love the smoothness of it. And by the smoothness, you guys go check out my lip combo guide on Gumroad. You guys will love it. You guys get Chlöe Bailey, Rihanna, Beyonce, Kelly Rowland, and many more lip combos for affordable price. And also go to my Etsy shop if you guys looking for something for graduation, spring or summer vibe. You guys can put it on your phone, your journal, your book bags, t-shirts, you name it. And we're back at it. So this lip combo is very beautiful, you guys. I feel like Chlöe Bailey did nail it. It's like a bubble gum pink, and I am using my NYX pink. It is number 9. It's number 9. It's the Sum line. It's actually not NYX. It's Ruby Kisses. Ruby Kisses Butter Balm number 9 is the sub line with affordable price for $3.99. You can't beat that. So I use a dark brown pencil and I use Ruby Kisses. So it is similar to NYX, by the way. And I didn't have the little shimmer, the bronzer, and the glow. So I just used some makeup. I used the eyeshadow palette, the gemstone, and I used the white. And I just put it down my nose to recreate Chlöe Bailey glow. That's the glow effect. So I just used some eyeshadow palette. No big deal. And I just drew some lines underneath my lashes, trying to make it like a little long at the bottom. I did the best that I could to recreate that, but you know, it was all for fun, and I'm not going to stress it out at all, because you know, you want to just have fun when you're recreating and transforming into art. And I love that I gave myself this chance and stepped out my comfort zone, because I was literally scared, because I thought I wasn't going to nail it. But so far so good. I feel like I nailed it. Miss Chlöe Bailey, I feel like I did a wonderful job. So tell me down below, did I did it good or did I didn't? So don't forget to hype this video up, subscribe, and tell me down below in the comments, who do you guys want me to recreate next? And also, once again, hype this video up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.